Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com, and here is what's on my Forex radar this May the 11th, 2016. We begin today with the Aussie-New Zealand daily chart, and as you can see here on my screen, we have a gap that has opened from today, and this is because of possibly some the risk off that was news that was released. So let's see what happens with this particular trade. May give an opportunity for those who would like to scalp a few pips before it heads back up into this particular area. Gap trade on the Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Swissy, you have a bend trade here, and it's a good sign for us in terms of whether or not this is going to be a up down movement. You did have the bend trade, that bend candle that is here. It just has a little bit of a retracement during the Asian session. More or less, you're going to move back into congestion here. I don't see a big risk reward sitting on this one, but I'll take a look at it after today's broadcast. The CAD yen, and I had drawn an possible entry point that was here. You can see yesterday it did push up to the 84.51 level, but you had to wait until that particular day's candle had closed. Now you see some retracement. All of the yen pairs are falling in the same manner. So now you see some retracement from today, and it may be a potential for us to get back in and see where it's going to move back towards these levels up here inside of the box off of the CAD yen. That's how I see it. The euro yen, again, you see the retracement here. All of the yen pairs are moving in the same similar manner. So evaluation as to see which pair would be the best pair, the strongest pair to trade upon. Euro New Zealand almost pushed up very close to our next. We're about 60 something pips from the target. Because of the risk off this morning, expect that it went down a little bit, but maybe an opportunity for those people who would like to scalp a few pips to get back in on this particular trade as well. Wait and see type of trade. The Euro Aussie yesterday pushed back down to the 1.5441 level. Now this is, remember, there is a box that's sitting over here, so it may have pushed up into the box and then look for a fall. Again, I don't see a naked price action trade to enter into, just something for us to take a look at and to keep an eye on. Great Britain yen, again, the retracement. You do have a potential Acapulco setting up here. We'll wait and see. Cliff candle, diver, and wait and see what happens on this one as well. You obviously have to wait until today's candle closes before making that determination. Cable is holding at the 1.4394 level, but not getting any strong push up against the dollar. You can see a little bit of wickedness that's going on here. So one that's on the radar for waiting and holding, and we'll wait and see what happens with that one as well. New Zealand, the Kiwi, a pseudo kangaroo or kangaroo tail pseudo. It's not the biggest candle in the last 5 or 6, but it did stop at this minor support and resistance level that you see here. Would like to have had it to hit that a weekly support and resistance. So this may be a bit of movement up and then fall back down to this level here, and then we can see if it's going to be a price action movement on there as well. Alright guys, we have some exciting stuff that's going on over at the blog at the FXAlTareeq.com/FX forum. Yesterday I updated the 1K to 1 million in 4 years or less account. We're now up 85%, actually 184% on this particular account. And what else we got going on? Only 20 pips. You got a live video capture of the only 20 pips from yesterday as well. and obviously the what's on my Forex radar from the previous day. But a couple of things for you to take a look at. I think some exciting stuff is going on. With that said, you guys have a magnificent day on purpose, and I will talk with you soon.